Hi there, students. I'm sure you all know how to use there is, there are. But have you ever tried using there with other verbs? And there are some other verbs where you can use this. So, once upon a time, there lived an old man. He was incredibly old. There lived. Okay. So we're using this as an introduction. When doing this job, there needs to be sufficient regard for safety. There needs to be. Okay. Yeah. Here's another example of it. There needs to be. Yeah. When swimming in the sea, there need to be several lifeguards present. Okay, in a distant land, there exists an animal named the pongo. There exists. Okay, so we can use there with other verbs. It's not always the easiest of things to do, yeah? And it's a way of making what you say sound rather more formal, okay? So, enough. There needs to be, there lived, there existed, yeah? If you could give some more examples, but with different verbs, I'd be really happy to see them. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating. Yeah, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. There with other verbs.